Another upgrade for the Defender. Today we're installing a NAS rear bumper. Everything laid out on the floor, bumper, brackets, bolts, the usual mess before the fun begins. First thing, we bring it to the back of the truck just to see how it sits and check the fitment. And there it is. The holes are close, but not exactly where we want them. Nothing ever lines up on the first try, especially on a Defender. Nothing unexpected, though. We mark the new positions and start opening the holes a bit, so everything can finally line up properly. Measure, drill, check, and try not to make it worse than it already is. If it fits without drilling, something is probably wrong. With the holes ready, we bring the bumper back into place for another test fit. Quick clean to remove the metal shavings. We start with the lower bolts first, just to hold the bumper in position. Then we move to the rear mounting points, slowly bringing everything together. One bolt at a time, making sure nothing is forced into place and everything sits where it should. At this stage, we don't fully tighten anything yet. We let the bumper settle and find its natural position on the chassis. A few small adjustments left and right until the gaps look even and the bumper sits straight. Once we're happy with the alignment, we start tightening everything down properly. Last step, the support braces. Two bolts on each side that really lock the bumper into the chassis and give it the strength it needs. Final check on all the bolts, making sure everything is tight, straight, and solid. And that's the final result. The NAS rear bumper completely changes the rear end of the Defender. Tougher look, better protection, and a much more finished feel. Simple install, big difference. And that's it for this install. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. More Defender builds and upgrades coming very soon. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.